Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to hard reset your Android phone. Now, the first option is if you have your Android phone unlocked and you're able to navigate into the Settings app. I'm also going to show you a second option if you don't have access to that. So if you're able to open up the Settings app on your Android phone, let's just scroll down from here and you're going to look for the option that says General Management. Just tap on that, and within General Management, we can always go through the process of resetting it. So tap on Reset here midway down. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom and you can see Factory Data Reset. Reset your phone to the factory default settings. This erases all of the data, so make sure it is backed up beforehand. So tap on Factory Data Reset and I'll show you what this looks like. It says all of this data will be erased from your phone, including you'll be signed out of all of your accounts. And just when you're ready, hit the reset button. You're going to enter in the passcode for your phone. And then you'll just tap on the delete all and it will wipe out everything and do that hard reset. However, maybe you don't have access to this, or maybe the phone is turned off. I'll show you a second option. So let's hop out of here. And now we're going to turn your phone off. So you can press and hold the power button, or you might need to press and hold the volume down and power button. And then we're just going to hit power off. After your phone is completely off, we're going to reboot it in recovery mode to be able to factory reset it and hard wipe it. So what we're going to do that is we're going to press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So power and volume up. If this doesn't work for you to get into recovery mode, you might need to choose the volume down and power button instead. So if I press and hold, you can see Android recovery. Now, all I need to do is use the volume slider down. Instead of reboot system now, I'm going to go to wipe data / factory reset. If your phone is reset, you'll need to enter in the Google account associated with this, etc. But when you're ready to go, just hit the power button and it will completely delete out all of that data on your Android phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and I'll catch you on the next one.